Hello students, we are in the third year BSc HS practical. We are going to be doing a Middle Eastern menu. Middle East are the countries which are near to Europe and between the Asian continent. So the menu is inclusive of a bit of Middle Eastern cuisine and a little bit of influence from France. So the main influencer cuisine is French cuisine. So in the menu you will find the first appetizer to be Sultana's stuffed onions. We'll be taking whole onions, we'll be peeling them, we'll be making them porous from inside, and we'll be stuffing it with raisins, nuts and onions sauteed together with a little bit of mixed herbs, a little bit of red paprika, which is a Middle Eastern styled herb, and mixed herbs from the French cuisine. We'll be stuffing it and we'll be baking the whole onion and we'll be serving it as an appetizer. In soup, we have purée de pois allemande. This again has an French influence. It is pois means green peas. These are sauteed with onion, garlic, and then they are cooked in stock, and then they are pureed, and they are finished with bechamel sauce, the mother sauces. Then we have filet o fish mayonnaise. It is a basic mayonnaise sauce made with butter, lemon, garlic and chopped parsley. We will be making the sauce. We will be tapping the fish, marinated fish fillet in refined flour. We will be pan searing it to a crispiness. We will be keeping it aside, and then we will be finishing it off with the mayonnaise sauce. The accompaniment for it is garlic pilaf. Pilaf is an Middle Eastern pulao style rice product. We will be giving it a garlic flavor. We will be making it in butter to enhance the garlic flavor, and then we will be tossing it with the rice and chopped onions. We have buttered vegetables to go with it. As you can see, the fish already has a rich butter flavor, so has the butter pilaf. We will be giving steamed vegetables along with it, which are just tossed with butter. And to end it all with, we have choux chocolate. We will be making choux pastry. It will be a choux paste which will be made with refined flour, butter and milk. It will be piped, it will be baked, and then it will be layered with tempered chocolate. So students, we will be first starting with our soup. We have sauteed onions, garlic, we have added a little bit of herbs, we have added green peas to it, and we are sauteing it to get it a little bit of flavor. We will add a little bit of stock to it. Before that, we will add a little bit of mint leaves to it for the flavoring, and after the herbs and the mint leaves get its flavor, we will bring it to one boil and then keep it for simmering on the other flame. Now we will be sauteing the onions, raisins and magad seeds for the raisin stuffed onions. So we are sauteing it now, and then we will be adding the seasoning, mixed herbs. These are the raisins which have been soaked, and we will be stuffing them inside hollowed onions which we have prepared for the appetizer. This is a Middle Eastern appetizer which is served for better heat purposes. Now we'll be heating the oil. We'll be adding the fish which we have marinated, and we have tapped it in seasoned flour. Flour was seasoned with salt, pepper and mixed herbs. This is the lemon butter sauce or mayonnaise sauce for the fish. We have taken butter. Once it starts melting, we will be adding garlic chopped onion, and we will be adding a little bit of seasoning to it, lemon juice, stock water, and we will be taking it off flame and on flame for it to emulsify correctly. We will add the little bit with the lemon butter sauce, and we will keep turning it and make sure that the sauce stays emulsified. After that we will start with our choux paste. For choux pastry, we will be scalding the milk first. In this scalding process, we will take the butter and milk together. We will bring it to one boil. Once it comes to boil, we will take equal amounts of flour to the amount of milk, and we will make a choux paste out of it. So once it comes to boil, we have to reduce the flame. Now the milk is scalded and we have added the flour to it. Now as you can see, it starts getting lumpy, so we have to be careful and we have to make sure that it's good in its consistency. Now we have added eggs to it, little bit at a time, making sure the consistency is good enough. We will put it in a piping bag and we will pipe it. So these are choux chocolate. We will bake them at 220 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. We will just loosen up the tops. Now these are the onions. We have stuffed it with the filling that we made earlier, raisins, sliced onions, maggot seeds, herbs. We will bake them first and then finish it with mozzarella cheese. This is the soup that we have blended. We added a little bit of is adjusted, and now the soup is ready for pickup. This is the tossed buttered vegetables that we will be accompanying the fish with. These are the basic vegetables that would go along with the fish, and now we'll be starting with the garlic pilaf. So we have sauteed the garlic, chopped onion, the rice. We have seasoned it with salt, pepper and mixed herbs. We'll toss it on a little bit of high flame. Finish it with chopped parsley, and then we will serve it. This is the presentation.